Do you want to add video in Messenger Story? You can upload a video to Messenger Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To upload a video on Messenger Story, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook Messenger, tap the Chats tab if you aren't already there. At the top of the screen, tap the plus icon in the Create Story section. Now you are on the story creation screen. Here, you will also see your device gallery pictures and videos. Browse your gallery and select the video you want to upload to your Messenger Story. After selecting the video, you can add text, music, stickers, or draw if needed. Once your editing is done, tap the Share Now button at the bottom of the screen. Your video will now be uploaded to your Messenger Story. Friends on Messenger will be able to view it for 24 hours.